Alright, I got this field plowed. It's May 14th. I have 3 more, about 10 acres total to do. This is about 5 acres. So it's all plowed. I might disc it tomorrow evening, we'll see. I got 3 more small, well 2 small fields and 1 about this size to plow. And then I'm gonna spray our field and I'm gonna no-till it. Seed should be here this week, in the next couple days hopefully. I'm about out of government juice, 9%. I think the tractor, like, I don't know what happens once you get down to like nothing, but I'm going to get some. All right, field number 2's done. This is a small field. It's only like 2.5 acres or so. And I'm starting into the back field back here. It's probably 3 to 4 acres. And then I just have to do the front bigger field, and then I'll be done plowing, switch over to discing and spraying. Day 2 of plowing. I just have this back field. It's only a couple acres, and then probably, I don't know, 5-6 acres out front. Then I'll be done with plowing. I gotta go spray my big field at my place, disc everything, and corn just showed up today, so we can plant soon. It's like May 16th. Does anybody else have my kind of luck? My mini excavator's here in the field. We're gonna try to put some drainage in today, get some stuff done. But due to my one guy putting the mini excavator in the pond, I'm sure it's related. I got it out, power washed everything. Now it doesn't want to stay running, so I have an issue. The battery's flashing, so mini needs the. I'm probably just gonna take it to Bobcat because I don't have time to deal with it, and I need it. My John Deere was getting some warranty work done and maybe something else at John Deere. I've used it once since it came back from the shop from the insurance job, and it's back at John Deere. And what else? My truck, my F-250 just broke and needed a fuel injector, which thankfully Ford got that replaced in 2 days, so at least they were fast about it, and I got my truck back in service in 2 days. And my Chevy 6500 with 55,000 miles is still at the Chevy dealer from October, so 7 months at the dealership and counting. So I have a lot of broke stuff, and none of it's actually junk. It's actually all pretty nice stuff, but good God. All right, let's get plowing. That's the last field that I got plowed, done. I just have to disc everything and plant it, put fertilizer down. Looking good.
I know the book, I know the book, on the side chill,